doubts on the first lesson? Agriculture? Do you have any doubts? No. Shall we go to the next? Shall we go to the next lesson then? So, okay. Did you open your book? Okay. Take your pencil and eraser. As and how, when I'm explaining, when I tell you to mark in the textbook some difficult words, some lines, you need to do that. So take your pencil and eraser and mute your system. Okay. I said mute your system. Mute your system. What do you see? What do you see on the screen? What do you see? Climate of climate of climate of India. Now what is climate? What is climate? In your textbook, it is showing as the climate of our country. Now, which is our country? Which is our country? India. So that is why I said, children, mute your system. Please mute your system. You will ask me only when I question you. Till then, pay attention and be attentive. Okay. Now, the next lesson that we are going to study in SST is the climate of our country. That is climate of India. Now, what is climate? In climate, we are going to study what is climate and what is weather and what is season. We are going to study about what is climate, what is weather and what is seasons. What are seasons? Which are the different seasons? Which are the different seasons? So first now, children, I told you don't interrupt in between till when I am explaining. When I ask you something, then only answer. I will call out your name and ask you questions, then you answer. If you have any doubts, end of the session, 5 minutes I will give you, you can clear your doubts. Okay? Now, the first slide, all can see the screen, no? Yes? Now, the topic is climate of India, that is climate of our country. Now, in the second slide, it is about weather. What is weather? What is weather? Weather describes the state of the atmosphere at any particular time. Weather can be described in terms of temperature, precipitation, snow, rain and hail, wind speed and direction, visibility and cloud amounts. This is all made up of weather. Now what is weather? Weather describes the state of an atmosphere at any particular time. If you look outside your window or if you go out and stand at your door and see, you will see that the weather outside, climate, weather is very normal and cool. So, it describes the state of the atmosphere at any particular time. Weather can be described in terms of temperature, precipitation, that is snow, rain and hail, wind speed and direction, visibility and cloud amount. Now, how can we describe weather? How can we describe weather or how can we come to know what type of weather it is? When we say it's hot, There are two types there. Yes, there are in weather, when we say it's hot, it is two types. One, it's mild. One, it's mild. And the second, please mute your system, children. So much of disturbance you are creating. Mute your system. I can hear each and every sound from your house. When I say it's hot, it means there are two types of weather there showing. That is, it is mild weather and it is warm, just like how today we are facing. And when I say it's hot, it's boiling and it is going. That is when the weather is very hot. You sweat and you feel very thirsty and tired. Here you can see there's a heat wave when you sweat a lot and the sun's rays hits your head and you are unable to control the weather. It shows that there's a heat wave. And this one describing the weather, it is a sunny, bright, clear, fair day. So this is weather. It can be different at different time of the day and different time of the year. It keeps changing. It is not the same. Now, when I say weather, you can see in the next slide, it is the rain. It is the rain. Here you can see everywhere there is water. So we call it as it's dam. Everywhere wet, you can't move around freely because everywhere there is water collected and wetness. And here you see in this picture, it's drizzling. It's raining, but it's not pouring. It is just drizzling. Okay. So this is everywhere water is collected. It's called dam because of the rain. Here it is drizzling. You can just move around. Okay. And this third one, you can see here the weather is so cloudy. Here you can see in this picture, it's so cloudy. It's so cloudy. And the next one, you can see here, it's raining and everywhere you find water and people are walking around with umbrellas, raincoats and gumboots and all. You can see how it's raining. People are walking with carrying umbrellas. And here you can see it's pouring rain. Rainfall is heavy here. It's pouring. And here in this picture, you can see there's a hailstorm. Can you see this white part? Yes? Can you see this white part? Here, here. This is called as hailstone. So this all counts under or covers weather. Now, again, when we talk about weather, you can see it is foggy. Usually, you get this kind of weather in winter season. The previous one, what I showed you, it is about rainy season. Now, this is all about the winter season. This is all about the winter season. It's foggy here. You can see it is not clear. Okay, look at the sky here. And here it's misty. You can still see, but blurred. You can see the weather here. So different from here. This is different and this is different. And here you can see there's a smog. There's a smog you can't see properly. It becomes very dull. Now next one, what we are going to learn, is what is climate. What is climate? What is climate? Climate describes the average weather of a particular part of the world at different times of the year. So this is called as climate. Now what is climate? Climate describes the average weather of a particular part of the world at different times of the year. In Britain, you would expect cool summers and mild winters with moderate rainfall throughout the year. So, this is climate. Now, variation in climate. How does climate vary? Variations in climate. Varied landform features. Why there is changes in climate? Why do you find different climate in different places? So, the first one is varied landform features. Different kinds of landforms affecting the climate. Now, what are these? Some places are extremely hot while some are very cold. Some places are extremely hot while some are very cold. Coastal areas have moderate climate. Thar Desert is extremely dry. You can see here, this is a type of climate. This is a mountainous area. This is a type of climate. You will find a different type of climate here. Here you can see some waterfalls and all. You will find a different type of climate here. And this is the desert area where you find a different kind of climate. Here you will find extremely dry. In this area you will find extremely dry climate and very hot. The reason behind it is that very different types of landforms affecting the climate. So that is why we say variation in climate is affected by different landform features. Now, factors affecting Indian climate. Now, what are the factors? Now, what are the factors affecting Indian climate? Which are the factors? There are different factors affecting the Indian climate. The first one is the Himalayan mountain. This is this is the Himalayan mountain. This is the Himalayan mountain which is affecting our climate. Second one, surrounding seas, coastal areas. Coastal areas. One is the Himalayan mountain. Second one, the surrounding seas. Third one is the relief features. And fourth one is the distance from the sea. The distance from the sea also affects the Indian climate. Whether you are close to the sea or you are far from the sea or at an average distance, it all affects the climate. Now, in short or in brief or in short, we can see here in the next slide weather and seasons, how they are related or how they differ or what do they mean. Now, weather and seasons. Now, what is weather and what is seasons? We will learn. Weather. Our earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Sometimes air becomes hot and sometimes it becomes cold. This change in air is known as weather. Weather keeps changing from day to day and sometimes from hour to hour. The meaning of this, our Mother Earth is surrounded by a layer of air which is called as atmosphere. Sometimes air becomes hot and sometimes it becomes very cold. This change in air is known as weather. You cannot predict or you cannot expect the weather to be the same throughout the day. That is, in 24 hours, the weather keeps changing. Sometimes it becomes hot, sometimes it becomes cold. So, this change in air. This change in air is known as weather. And weather keeps changing from day to day and sometimes from hour to hour. The second part, the second part is seasons. Seasons. When weather remains the same for a long period. When weather remains the same for a long period, we call it season. When the weather remains for a particular time of period, for a long time, we call it as season. We have some months when it is very hot, some months when it rains heavily, and some months when it is cold and chilly. We also have spring and autumn when it is neither too hot nor too cold. So, this is the difference between weather and season. The change in air is called as weather, and weather keeps changing from day to day and sometimes from hour to hour. So, we call this as weather. And when weather remains the same for a long period, we call it as seasons. Some have months when it is very hot, and some months when it rains heavily, and some months when it is cold and chilly. So we also have spring and autumn when it is neither hot nor cold. Seasons. Now we learn about season. We have summer, we have winter, we have rain, we have autumn, we have spring. So these are the different types of seasons. These are the different types of seasons. Spring is a time when children play, flowers bloom, and all is gay. Summer is hot. To stay cool, everyone wants a dip in the pool. Monsoon clouds filled with air make you feel cool again. Autumn is short and the leaves begin to fall. Playing in the open is fun for all. Winter is cold. On sunny days, people bask in the sun's rays. It is a small poem that I have brought for you in the form of seasons. This poem describes the seasons. This poem describes the seasons. It says, spring is a time when children play. So, spring season, children love to play. Spring is a time when children play. Flower bloom, flower bloom, and all is gay. Gay in the sense happiness here, happy. Summer is hot to stay cool. Everyone wants a dip in the pool. Monsoon clouds filled with rain make you feel cool again. So, after spring, we have the summer, and after summer, we have the monsoon, which we really enjoy because after the hot summer days, when it starts raining, everything becomes cool. So, he says, hot summer is hot to stay cool. Everyone wants a dip in the pool. Monsoon clouds filled with rain make you feel cool again. So the next season is autumn. Autumn is short and the leaves begin to fall. Playing in the open is fun for all. And the last one is winter. Winter is cold. On sunny days, people bask in the sun's rays. So winter season, we feel cold and we want the sun rays. So we go out, we take sun bath. It's a beautiful poem on types of seasons. When I will, you're not seeing it on the screen. You're not seeing it on the screen. This poem. It's given on the screen. No, you can't see the see. You can't see anything on the screen, children. Slides are not moving. Where on which slide here? Which slide? Huh? Which slide you're in first slide? Slide is not moving. Okay, okay. Okay. I okay. I will show you the poem. I will show you every slide once again. Tomorrow's class, provided you'll mute your system, and then I will show it again. I don't know where I went wrong. Maybe the network got disconnected. Okay, children, you have any doubts? You have any doubts? You can ask me tomorrow, same session, same time. SST, I will check. I will make sure that all the slides are visible to you. Okay, okay, okay. You read. Why you're telling seventh chapter? Hello, hello. This will be lesson number 2 because we already finished lesson 1, that is agriculture. I wanted to connect the lesson because how agriculture is connected with climate. Okay, so we'll see tomorrow in the next session. Okay, tomorrow's class we'll meet. We will discuss our doubts. Read the lesson. If you have any difficulties, same lesson I will continue, children. The climate of India. Next session is not there. You read the lesson, climate of a country. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay? Okay. Okay. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.